Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn into a baby in Berry Avenue. So if you ever want to shrink down and explore Berry Avenue as an adorable baby, in this fun and easy tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to transform your avatar into a baby step by step. So first, you need to change your avatar size to become a baby. You can go to avatars in here and find the body option. Click on this body and now search for baby. Now you can just choose the baby body that you want. So I'm going to go with this second row, the second options in the second row. Okay, I'm going to just use the head, hands, and also legs and torso like this. Close this, and now you can click on the agent info and change your age into a baby so that it will be crawling like this. Now let's remove the makeup and hair. Okay, I'm going to find some baby clothes here. Let's go change the face to become a cute baby. Okay, for example, like this, or maybe let's just try another one here. You can also just search for a baby here. Let's use this one, for example. Okay, I think I'm going to just go with this ones right here. Now you can just add some shirt to put on. Let's search for a baby. If there's any baby shirt here. What it doesn't put on. Okay, let's just find from here. Okay, I think this, I'm going to just use this. And now you can just tap on done, or you can also add some items here. Let's just go back here, find items, and find a baby or kids category here. Let's add this one. Okay, now the baby is carrying a doll. So that's all for me. That's how you can turn into a baby in Berry Avenue. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.